Ow! Ow, Charlie! Ow! Charlie, that really hurt!
This is gonna be fun. We can stay up late, swapping manly stories, and in the morning, I'm making waffles.
I'm gonna go to sleep now. Sweet dream. Good night. I love you.
So excited, I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and I think I like it.
I like to picture Jesus in a tuxedo t-shirt because it says like, I want to be formal, but I'm here to party too. Because I like to party, so I like my Jesus to party.
That name and I shut up. Mufasa. Ooh. Do it again. Mufasa. Mufasa, Mufasa, Mufasa.
You're not a doctor. You're a big, fat, curly-headed fuck.
I'm not a smart man, but I know what love is.
You sit on a throne of lies.
Have you ever put butter on a Pop-Tart? It's so frickin' good. Have you ever put butter on a Pop-Tart? If you haven't, then I think you should. A glass case of emotion.
I'm Sarah. 3 horns never play with long necks.
Problem, buddy? Huh? Huh? Do you?
Ooh ee ooh ah ah ting tang walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah ting tang walla walla bang bang. Ooh ee ooh ah ah ting tang.
I got so drunk last night, I think I thought a tube of toothpaste was astronaut food.
Mom! Mom! Mommy! Mommy! Mama! Mama! Mama!
What?
Hi.
Wanna hear a joke about some cats? Just kidding.
I feel the need for speed.
Ow! I told you. What did I tell you? Didn't I tell you? 'Cause I told you.
But she caught me on the counter. Wasn't me. Saw me banging on the sofa. It wasn't me. I even had her in the shower. It wasn't me. She even caught me on camera. Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around, round, 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 I get around.
So ornery inside real wrong.
I like that boulder. That is a nice boulder.
I want it now! I want cake now! I want it now!
This is the German Coast Guard.
We're thinking.
What are you thinking about?
A question! Who dare let the dogs out?
As darkness falls, the males begin to call.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
Well, you can tell by the way I use my walk. I'm a woman's man. No time to talk.
Hello. Cowabunga, dude. Stress fucking up. Sure.
I think you're pretty neat, but I respect your distance.
My name is Rod, and I like to party.
Say hello to the camera.
Hello, motherfucker.
Damn!
Me, only me.
Right here is my type of party. 5 more hours we just
keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
The ultimate in lethal grace and beauty.
I sure do like brownies. Hey, you know what's got 2 thumbs and really likes brownies? This guy.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Dragon, not lizard. I don't do that tongue thing.
It's the motherfucking Dico Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hein? Blue, blanc, flou, black. Je
M'appelle.
Pelle.
Great. Okay, faster. Je m'appelle.
Pelle.
Je m'appelle.
Me poupou.
Where are my flapjacks?
I honestly thought I was going to be raped for a second. He had the craziest look in his eyes, and at one point he said, "Let's get it on."
That was about the fighting. I'm so not a raper.
The clown has no penis.
Don't win friends with salad.
You don't win friends with salad. You don't win friends with salad.
You don't win friends with salad.
You don't win friends with salad.
No. No. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Pretty badass. Look, it runs all over the place. Whoa, watch out, says that bird.
Birdie, 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 birdie. Birdie.
Tomater, average intelligence.
And on the third day, God created the Remington bolt-action rifle so that man could fight the dinosaurs and the homosexual.
And she goes, "Oh my God, I've had the old bull, now I want the young calf." And she grabs me by the wiener.
Near, far, wherever you are.
Train on the water, boat on the track.
Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me.
Santa Maria. I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down cause my dick can float.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be surfing like California.
I'm done. There's no more. I'm done.
Oh, and in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.